We'll guide you through how to cut background in PicsArt. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open PicsArt app and tap on Edit Images to begin your editing process properly. Choose your main image from your gallery and make sure the subject is clear and easy to see. Adjust the canvas if needed so the composition fits well before continuing to the next step. Open the Tools menu and select the Remove BG option to automatically detect and remove the background. Wait for the auto background removal to finish. Then carefully check the cutout result for any mistakes. Tap the Erase tool to remove unwanted background parts and zoom in for better accuracy while cleaning edges around the subject. Use the Restore tool to bring back any missing parts and refine hair along with other small details. Adjust the brush size carefully to improve precision and smooth any rough edges until the cutout looks clean and natural. Confirm the cutout result and add a new background by choosing either a solid color or another image that fits your idea. Position the subject properly on the canvas and adjust brightness and contrast so it blends well with the chosen background. Match the lighting with the background. Review the overall composition carefully, then make final adjustments to ensure everything looks balanced and visually appealing. Finally, save or export your image in your preferred format and resolution so it is ready to share or use. Make sure you review small imperfections before saving so no unwanted marks remain visible in the final output. Take your time when adjusting details because careful editing will significantly improve the quality of your final image. If necessary, go back to previous tools to fix areas that still look rough or inconsistent with the overall composition. Ensure that the subject edges are smooth and that the lighting direction matches the background to maintain realism. Double-check placement and proportions to avoid unnatural positioning of the subject within the new background. Keep the composition simple and focused so the main subject stands out clearly without distractions.